Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So well, I have a little bit of things. Today is Wednesday, so we will be doing our transaction log. I want to apologize, I haven't been on top of them. It's been a hard few weeks, and I don't know, it's just, I don't know, but I'm gonna get back on track. So I hope you guys consider, who are new, consider subscribing, hitting that button down below. And if not, thank you for coming back to my channel. And yeah, let's just go ahead and get on into it. I have this bookmark here to bookmark where I am going to be laying out my transaction log. I'm going to be using a combination. I bought this new pen. It is a friction fine liner. I got it off Jet pen, I think that's what it was. The only thing I don't like is that it's not a clicker, and I am such a huge clicker fan, but we're gonna work with it. It is erasable, so we're gonna go ahead and just set this up here for May, and I am going to be doing the last 2 weeks of May, so it's not too much, I don't think. Okay, and I'm going to put the spending checker here, just like so. Oops, just like so. Okay. And then so that I don't lose any space, I am going to just put this, actually I guess I'll put it here. So let me just put one of these washes down here. Hopefully it won't be too much of a line wasted. I don't know why, I just kind of fell off on the fact, I don't know, I just fell off. I do apologize, because not only do I have to apologize for you, for those of you who enjoy the content on the transaction logs, but also to myself of just not just not doing it, which is really crazy, because that's probably why I've overspent, because of that fact of not logging it and kind of, out of sight, out of mind, if that makes sense. So also, those of you who have seen me use this, and I believe I sent, well, not I believe, but I sent one to Terry and Nicole, this X-Acto knife. A company reached out to me to do a review on the X-Acto knife, and I plan on doing that review a little later. So I'm super enjoying this. If you don't have one of these, you guys gotta get one. You gotta get one. Okay. It has totals right here, but I don't think I'm gonna need that as of yet. Let's just go ahead and zoom you guys right on in so we can get this down. So we have now all of these probably did not clear, and this actually came in there too. If you've seen me use this, it's metal and it's pretty sharp, so be very careful, but it's nice. It's really good to kind of rip off the washi. I really enjoy this part right here, or this. I'm really enjoying this. So I'm just gonna draw my lines, try to get them as straight as possible. Now this pen is kind of like a marker pen, if that makes sense. It's thin, but it is a fine line, so that's like a marker if I'm not mistaken, and I am enjoying it. It erases very well. You guys know I need an erasable pen. I'm just that type, because I make too many mistakes, and I absolutely love blue. The reason why I like blue so much, to be honest, is because at work we're only allowed to use blue pens. Now mind you, I do use black pens at times, but for the most part it's just blue. Okay, we're just gonna go with that. So the first one is 5, 6, and this is starting from week 1, just because I'm behind. So that'll be from the 3rd to the 10th, or I should say to the 9th, because the 10th is the next payday. So from the 3rd to the 9th. So this is when they cleared. This doesn't actually mean this is the day that I bought the items. This is just when it cleared. So 5/3 I bought food at work. Okay, let's see, here we go. Food at work, and I'm just gonna put, I guess, food. I don't really know. Method was a debit, and this amount was $3.11. Can you guys see that okay? Yeah. Next was the same thing for the same date. So I'm just gonna put that down. And this is for $3.07. Like I said, I didn't probably buy that the same day, but it just cleared on the same day. And again, this cleared on the same day. They're all debits, and this is for $12.51. Okay, then on 5/6, we went to Huddle House. Worst experience ever. Huddle House is basically like a Waffle House, just kind of not. This was also food. This was a debit. We waited, and I timed it because it was just so long. Well, I didn't time it, but I looked at the time when they placed the order and when it came out, and it was like 52 minutes, almost an hour, and it took us only like not even 12 minutes to finish the food. We were so hungry. That was $37.49. Okay, and then Domino's, and this again is food. This is again debit, and this one is for $36.18. And then 5/9. I probably should just do that. Sorry about the wiggling. I'm just gonna put the dots. I like that better. So 5/9, we went to Friendly Mart, which is a gas station. And I think we just kind of bought snacks, and that was a debit as well. Yeah, we went and bought like hot dogs and chips and drinks and all kinds of stuff. Bad decision, but we did. Okay, and then I don't know why this says Walmart for $3.74. I don't know if my mom or my daughter took the card, because I don't remember what it was exactly, but it's there, and it's for $3.71, and then another one for $1.58. I think I'm just gonna put those two together. Let's do some math real fast. 371 plus $1.58, and neither one of them do I remember what I got. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 5, 27. I don't know what this was, what we got. I don't know what I bought. I could not tell you because I do not know. So that's $5.29. Okay. No flake. Payment. I'm gonna just put payment. And this was for our Wells Fargo credit card. We had about $15 left over, and so I made that debt payment. And then 5/6. And these are a combination of two separate checking accounts. That's why some of the dates are wrong, because I got, like, this is one checking account, and then this is like the other checking account. I did, of course, my arch enemy, Etsy. And that was stickers. I'm just gonna put stickers here. That was a debit of $21.44. We got a lot. So that's for the first week. Actually, it's really not that much compared to other ones, but yet we got all of this left for the rest of the month. So I'm gonna try to really buckle down the next few days on not using my card whatsoever. So I'm gonna draw that line there and we'll add that up in a minute. Actually, I do have the total here already. Excuse me. And that was a total of $165.91, which was a lot. I mean, you know, it is. This is what killed us here, right? Is that right? Yeah. This is what killed us. That's a lot. So on to the next, this past week. So today, and I do it on Wednesdays so that I can not use my card, which is Wednesday, Thursday until Friday. So that gives me at least 2 whole days not to swipe my card, instead of, you know, trying to be like something a little catchy and do it on Thursday. Now I might change it one day to Thursday, but as of right now I have not. So for the next week, starting on the 10th, we have yet again work food, a debit, and that was for $8.70. And then I do have Grove Collaborative, and I just finished my 60-day trial or something like that. So I have my Grove Collaborative fee, and that was I guess household items, kind of. That was a debit of $19.99. That actually went on my American Express card, because that's the card that I have up there to use. I don't have anything coming out. Nothing's gonna come out until probably like July, but that was charged to it, but I went ahead and paid that off as well as soon as I saw the charge come through. Okay, and then 5/13, another food from work, and this is just the company. BB is the company I work for, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. And this is debit, and this is also $5.88. And then we have 2 Amazon, and this is, I guess, miscellaneous. I'm gonna add these together, and what it is they are Bluetooth pieces for your phones. So what I did, carry 167, is that right? $79.98. What I did is my friend bought me a Bluetooth speaker for work. Well, it's not like she bought it and, you know, didn't ask for the money back, but I asked her to buy it for me. And so I told her I was gonna get a Bluetooth set for my phone at work so I can use it at work, and she said that she wanted one. So I went ahead and instead of paying her the $40 for the Sony speaker, I just bought this for her, and it's no problem. It's just a little bit money difference, not anything major. It's not gonna break me. So yeah, okay. So we had another food charge. Actually, this is 2 different days, but I'm just gonna add them together. Actually, no, this is not. Okay, so this is debit, and this is $5.17. Can you guys see? Yes. Okay, and then there are 2 charges to the American Express card. My husband has a bad habit of using that card when he doesn't have any money. So I need to just let him know, you know, we can't use that. If he needs money, he can just use another card. American. I should have just put Amex. Let me just put Amex here. So I'm just gonna put Amex, and this was food, and I'm gonna add those together. So one was $4.99 and one was $5.44. It's probably not the best place to put it. So that's 3, carry 1, that's 4, carry 1, 9. So that was $10.43. Okay, and that is it for week 2. So it's not that bad. It's still a lot, but not that bad. Actually, another transaction I forgot to put here for week 1 was my husband needed new work boots. He does not like the boots. I'm gonna just put 9. I don't really know what day it came out. My husband doesn't really like heavy boots, the work boots at work. So we went and bought him some offline off Amazon. And then those boots are pretty expensive. They were a little bit less than $100, but I put $100 towards my American Express card to cover the boots, and whatever was left should actually be $265.91. So let's change that to $265.91. See how good this thing works. Let's do it this way. Looks okay. So this is 2, and I'm just gonna try it on there. And then this total here is 130.15. 130.15. And that's all we have. So it's been a bit of a struggle the past 2 weeks, like I said. Actually longer than that, because I haven't been doing my transaction logs for a good minute. But either way, that's what we have. And I hope you guys are doing okay in your budgets. And you know, it is what it is. There's nothing we can really do but just be more cautious and be more mindful of spending. But either way, thank you for spending a moment of your life with me. Until next time. Bye, guys.